Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and restore Adventureworks database in MS SQL Server 2022. The process is same for SQL Server 2019 also. In Google, search for download Adventureworks database. Click on the first link, that is Adventureworks Sample Database SQL Server. Scroll down. See here we have Adventureworks database for all SQL Server versions from 2008 R2 to 2022. Okay. If you want to download and restore for 2019, click on this one. But the process is same for the restoration. See also here OLTP, data warehouse and lightweight. So click on any one of them based on your SQL Server version. If you don't know the SQL Server version, go to the SQL Server, new query, select version. Select the command and execute. See, SQL Server version is 2022. So based on that, click on the respective BAK file, that is backup file. Okay, click on it. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. Its size is 200 megabytes. Wait until download completes. If you are on SQL Server 2019, you have to click on this one. Now go to SQL Server, expand databases. See, I have only 2 user databases. These are the system databases. Okay, right click on databases, then select restore database. See here in source we have 2 options, database and device. So select device, then click on this rectangle box with 3 dots, then click on add, and here backup media type. Here we have URL, S3 URL. Okay, click on add, then go to the downloaded directory. If you are unable to find here, just do one thing, go to downloads directory, show in folder, copy this backup file, C drive, paste in somewhere, or else simply program files, go to Microsoft SQL Server, click on this MS SQL 16.MS SQL Server, then MS SQL, then here we have different folders. Click on backup. Okay, paste that one. Now go to SQL Server Management Studio, cancel this one, click on add. See, the current path, that is the same one, backup directory, select it and click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. See, restore is completed successfully. Click on OK. Now go to SQL Server Management Studio. See here, we have the Adventureworks database. If we want to verify, click on here, close this one. No. Click on new query. Then see, in the drop down we have the Adventureworks. Now expand this Adventureworks tables. Here we have different tables with schemas. Okay, suppose if you want to see the person address, then run the command, select star from person dot address. We must select here the respective database and we have to run. So select the command and see, it fetched about 20k rows. So in this video we have seen how to download and restore Adventureworks database in MS SQL Server 2022. The process is same for all MS SQL Server versions. For more SQL Server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.